Hello YouTube. Today we're going to talk about my mill, Grizzly. We're going to talk about dial indicators. And first and foremost, the indicators that could fall off your mill and break. And the one I'm talking about is this one right here. I had a 2-inch travel on there. And what happened was I was cleaning the mill, my pocket got caught in between here. It wedged it, pulled it off, dropped it down. So, today we're going to talk about a little something that I made for the mill. And hopefully I'll share it with you. You might like it. And hold on and I'll be right with you. Okay, hi everybody. This is Rich from Rich Micro Tooling Technologies. Very small little company. But what I wanted to show you is, this is the 2-inch indicator that I was telling you about. It fell off the mill. I've had this for a long time. It's machinists, it's tool makers, it's hobbyists. We all find something that we're so comfortable with, we just want to keep around forever. And when this thing hit the cement, it hurt. It hurt really bad. So I got to thinking about how I can keep this on my mill without it slipping off, because I had it on a Mighty Mag. So it was very convenient with the Mighty Mag, because I'd be able to slide it up and down the table and I'd be able to adjust it any way I wanted. So I came up with this, and I know it's hard to see, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop off that indicator here. Move that out of the way before it breaks. You can always put this back on. Okay. So, nothing but a 1x1 aluminum block. All these are very arbitrary as far as dimensions are concerned. This is 1 inch 860 long, and like I said, it's 1 by 1. So what I did was I drilled a 1/4 20 hole through here. I used the dovetail stop or nut that goes on the actual table slide, or where your lock system would be, or your stop, I'm sorry, where your stop system would be. So then I thought, well, you know, it'll take and it'll rotate. Alright, so this is what I did. I put in a separate channel. I don't know if you can see this. Here, maybe right there is probably better. I just milled 2 flats on the side, and I believe that's called a rabbet joint. And I think it's down like around the 365. Yeah, 365 on the slot. The actual slot is like, I don't know, 371, 372. It's a Grizzly, so it's not a Bridgeport. So there's a lot of variation in that thing. So the 365 really worked out for me. So what that does is it just slides it really nice back and forth, and it keeps it on the same plane, so that I'm constantly not, like say with my Mighty Mag, I was constantly, when I'd move it, well, am I up like this? Am I down like this? You know, and over 2 inches, that sign, you know, does change from 0 to 1 or to 2, but not as dramatic. If you're going to run the whole 12 inches of travel, or 18 inches of travel, or 24 inches of travel when you get onto the bigger mills, that really stacks up. So that's all this was here, is a block, 1 screw hole, 1/4 20. I used the original dovetail nut from the stop that was originally on the mill. Originally I was going to take and I was going to put this on top here, but then I was looking at it, I'm like, oh god, that's going to interfere with the screw here to lock it. So then I went, but I'll drop it underneath. I still have access to my screw, and I still have that ability to run it back and forth. Just a little something you might want to try. I don't know. Took about 45 minutes to actually do the part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop you. I'm going to pop this back on the mill, and I'll show you the ease that you could have with that. Alright? I'll be right back. Okay, YouTube, here you go. This is it on the mill. Remember, the indicator will stick off here and hang out back this way. And all you do is tighten it in. And it's tight right up to the mill. Unloosen it, push it in a little bit, because remember, it's a Dove, so it might tend to want to bind on you. And that's all you do. Just adjust it down, lock it where you want. That thing ain't going to go anywhere. So we went from this, as you can see, shit happens, my friends, shit happens, to this. I hope this helps you out. Just a quick video. Keep safe and make chips, folks.